Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today we are going to take a look at this toy car track set from Dollar Tree in the little plus aisle. Little $5 set, little racetrack here, little downhill racetrack action. I'm gonna set this up. Got a few cars already sitting out to go down the thing, and we'll get it all set up. So it's 24 piece, 33 inches, so just a little over just a few inches short of 3 feet. Not too big of a track, but see how this fares. Got our track pieces here. Ooh. It's a little thicker than the Hot Wheels ones a little bit, actually. Not as flimsy. Interesting. I guess we got some stickers here for some of this. Okay, so everything's out of the box. Go ahead and set that to the side. Well, actually, I guess I got to take a look at some of this, actually. Look. Got 4 bags of contents, 4 main pieces of track, and then a little sticker thing. So, let's see what we got to start off with first. Probably the base. Looks like it here. One here, okay. So, we're going to start off with the bag that has the blue pieces in it, well, the most blue pieces in it. The base put together. Uh-oh. Looks like it here. Alright. Well, this is going to go on top. I guess not everything I need to start this with is in this bag. Alright, we're going to open another bag to actually get this first part done. What? Yeah, what? Alright. Okay, now this goes with this. Okay. Well, I don't need to open those yet. Maybe this shall see. This is kind of the base for that. And alright. Let's see which direction I need to put this. Okay. The screen piece has to go in here somehow. I'm going to try to actually do that first. Okay. So it's like a little snap in place type deal. Gotta get this locked in, get our base put together. Alright. There we go, have the base put. Okay. Then, okay, let's see here. Well, this isn't needed until closer to the end. What is next on here? Gotta open up one of these little bags. Alright, so they did do a very good job on the packing the different steps in the different bags. Some stuff I need for this first step that are in other bags. And look at the Lego. Here's that Lego set. Now there's a couple different bags, but they usually start off with a certain bag, and that's all you need to get those first few steps going. Alright, got a lot of pieces to put together here. Alright, let's finish getting this base put together. But it's little yellow pieces here. Let's see. Literally just going off of this diagram here. No booklet or anything. Just kind of going off a okayish diagram on the box. Trying to figure out how it even goes into the slots. Okay, I actually gotta get this part on first. Figure out how it slots in. This is interesting. Oh, okay, okay, there we go. There's little pieces on the back that slide on. This pops into. Alright, kind of starts the downhill slope. Okay, now these are gonna clip onto here. So, figure out which side it's supposed to go on. Okay, this, okay, and then this right here. The yellow piece here is gonna go up here somehow. There's another yellow piece that goes in between here. And then let's see. Let's get the front right. Trying to figure out how this goes onto here. Okay, I think this has to go upward. Yep. Okay. Okay. So this is gonna be the lift and go. All right. Let's flop that back for now. All right, and that's the end of part 1. Getting this base put together. Part 2 now. Oh boy. All right, part 2 is another piece of the base that the rest of the track is going to go down. Include a lot of these green pieces. Also, this is going to be for the end of the thing. Okay. Let's see here. Well, while I'm working on this, I will let y'all know that the reason I didn't have a video for like a whole week was partly because my schedule changed, at least for this week as far as I know. And also, I live in Florida, and we had that hurricane just go by the other day. And got lucky. For where I'm at, I did go stay somewhere else because I am near a river. But thankfully, my area is fine. I'm just waiting for Wi-Fi to come back on, but that's not a big deal. Where does this go in it? Okay, this goes here somehow. Okay. Try putting it in the right direction. Okay. Trying to get this base down. This little other support beam section. Okay. Green piece. Goes into here somewhere. It just clips on. go. And then let's see here. I might actually done this backwards. Yeah, looks like I do this backwards. Okay. So this needs to go into here. To believe. There we go. Okay. There we got that. Connector piece for the track. Sorry, this is a little boring, but y'all can actually see the process of putting this together. Okay, what do we have next? Alright, so I'm putting the track piece together at the very end. Now we gotta build the finish line. Okay, so it's gonna be the finish line. I'm gonna put this together next. Alright, there's two little gray pieces here right on the side to prop up. Alright, I gotta figure out which side. Let's go on. Okay. A lot of snaps. A lot of snaps in spots into places. These other two pieces here seem like they might not really be necessary. Okay, so these go now. These are gonna go on here. Let's see on this box here. Which direction is supposed to go? Alright, it's supposed to go overhead like this. Alright. That's in place. And this is gonna connect into here. Stuck. Oh, come on. You can do it. Alright. Yeah, okay. That is in there now. Alright. Ooh, okay. Alright, now we can put the track together, and for now, we are not going to worry about putting these on. I'm sure this has gone on a little too long already. I need to slide our track pieces in place. Alright, this is the midpoint. Okay, this will be fun. Alright. Try to slide these both in at the same time. Alright, there we go. Slide that in. Slide that in. Slide this in. Alright, and there you have it. So, slide this box a little out of the way and put it right here as a little stopper. We all can still see this. So first up, we'll just do a couple of cars from our recent videos. The my most recent video, that yellow Super from Maisto against this orange Nissan Z. Flip this. I wanted to go early. Alright. And go. Oh. Sorry, the Z got stuck. It's a little too thick for the track. Supra won that one. And then next up, Chevy Colorado from Maisto against the Ram from Hot Wheels. And what? Hold on. Let's press that click. And go. Oh. Colorado took it, and the Ram is down off the counter. Okay, so that's a little $5 track set from the Dollar Tree. Fun little, cheap little play set. Play with, little race your cars on. And you could probably make this track even longer, but not from here, but you could take, this kind of lifted, but I'm sure you could find ways to stretch this out longer with, some Hot Wheels track. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and also, I have hit my 100 subscriber mark, so that's awesome. Thank you all. See you on the next one. Bye.